Hey guys, if you're anything like me, you've got a ton of junk underneath your bathroom sink or your guest bathroom sink just waiting for you to come and rescue it and organize it. So that's what I decided to do today and see if I can share with you how I did it in under 2 minutes. First of all, it's just a bunch of like nail polishes. We've got some lip glosses, lipsticks, hair products, random other products. There's curling irons, combs. There's a bunch of different stuff in this stack, just stuff that I've collected over time. Some stuff is really good and some stuff needs to go. So let's talk about how to organize it. Okay, first thing you want to do is get everything out and put it on a flat surface, maybe like a very long table, just somewhere where you can see absolutely everything. After you've done that, then go ahead and break it up into groups of like what it is. Okay, so I have my nail polishes all here, all of my lip glosses, all of my hair products. I've broken it down into categories of things, makeup brushes, all that type of stuff. Then next you want to grab a trash bag because you're getting rid of some of the stuff today. You're not going to keep all of this. You don't actually need it. Get a trash bag, and then next get a give bag or a give box. I like to give things away, especially if they're unused, if they're in perfect condition. I'm a giver, so I like to give things away as well. So I won't just throw everything out. Some stuff I'll actually give. The next thing I grabbed is just a couple of containers from the dollar store. Actually, the Dollar Tree. And mine are all clear lid containers. And they're really good for organization. And then, boom, here you go. Separated everything, threw everything away. Got my makeup brushes in a mason jar. Toiletries in that little Gucci bag. Got my gift bag at the front door ready to go. And that's it, guys. We're done in under 2 minutes. See you next time.